morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Syrup on your pancake? No, ma'am? Okay. Let's see what you got. Shrimp and... So, Ricky, you say you can't wait to eat that biscuit, huh?
I'm not touching that biscuit. It's hard as a rock.
That sounds like Ashford and Simpson song.
Yeah.
Solid as a rock.
Stay in there. I will not stop.
Oh my goodness. You're crazy. Don't turn around either, Shalonda. Who spot this garden center? Doug.
Yes, ma'am.
So oh, Fred gave me one of those. Yeah, but I'm gonna put it in a pot so I can hold it back. Huh? Yeah. But we had to follow Uncle Doug. Go to the sea, fly like an eagle, let the spirit carry me. Wanna fly, fly right to the future. So I'm gonna fly like an eagle to the sea.
Bigger than the Sisterlock right at me. That big tall, just looking pretty small. Next is the train of a sky with me.
I have done nothing to my hair this morning, but I just wanted to come and say good morning. Happy Sunday. I enjoyed my time with my family. I'm a sister who loves her locks, her family, friends, and subscribers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. My next video is going to be in reference to these locks on my head. Thank you for watching.